Hello there, welcome back to the One Sweet Kitchen. Today I'm making a beautiful, healthy, packed with vegetable soup with cheesy dumplings, something to really satisfy your tummy and fill you up. May I remind everybody about this little book which explains my once a week cookery system, and if you follow it, it will change the way you cook forever, I can promise you that. So go to my website, follow the link on this channel and get yourself a copy. It'll change the way you cook forever. Also there is an ebook on there which you can download and print off. So what are you waiting for? Right, hearty vegetable soup with cheesy dumplings. I've got 3 carrots sliced, 2 parsnips chopped, a leek and a stick of celery chopped, sliced, about 100 grams of sweetcorn, a portion of pearl barley which I've taken out of the freezer. That's already cooked. There is a video on this channel that tells you how to cook pearl barley. Very, very useful to have in your freezer when you're making soup. And I've got some grated cheese. Today I'm using Stilton just because that's what I need to use up. And a packet of dumpling mix. It's easier to find dumpling mix than it is to buy suet. For some reason the supermarkets don't seem to stock suet anymore, so I got that packet. And 1.5 litres of vegetable stock. So I'm going to start by putting the stock in a pan and adding in the carrots and parsnips. So I've got the carrots and parsnips in the stock. I'm going to bring this to a simmer and simmer for about 20 minutes so that the vegetables are tender. So the carrots and parsnips are tender now, so I'm adding in the leek and the celery. So I'm going to bring that back to a simmer and simmer it for about 15 minutes. While the soup's cooking, I'm going to make the dumplings. Meanwhile, I'm making the dumplings. Put the dumpling mix in here. Add in the cheese, and I'm going to give it a good mix. So I'm adding 6 tablespoonfuls of water. Just mix it with a fork. So I think that needs a little bit more, so I'm going to add in another 2 tablespoons. So that seems about right now. clean wet hands, roll this into 8 dumplings. 1, 2, and so on. Next we're going to add in the pearl barley. Because it's already cooked, it only needs to warm through really. Pearl barley takes quite a long time to cook if you cook it from scratch. That's why I cook a big batch and freeze it, much easier. And the sweet corn. So that just needs to simmer for another 5-10 minutes. Then we'll add in the dumplings. So I'm just about to add in the dumplings. Now because I know that dumplings take up a lot of liquid, so most of this liquid will disappear. I've put 1 and I'm going to put 1 more cup of water in. Because if you don't do that, you could end up with just all dumplings and no soup. So what we need to do now is bring it back to a simmer and then add them in one by one. So the soup's come back to a simmer now, so I'm going to pop in the dumplings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to pop the lid on and turn the light down low. So we just want those to simmer for about 20 minutes. So that's the soup finished. I'm just going to dish it up now, and you'll be able to see what the end product is like. So that's the soup finished now. You can see the beautiful dumplings in there. Absolutely top notch. That's going to be very, very tasty, and I can't wait to tuck in. So let's hope you have a go at that. Yeah, very good, full of fresh vegetables and very nutritious. So have a go and I'll see you later. Bye.